If you want to block messages from your subscribers on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find the setting and turn it off in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want more control over who can send you direct messages and reduce unwanted inbox requests from subscribers. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the X app and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to reveal the full menu. Once the menu opens, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account, security, and privacy controls. On the next screen, select Privacy and Safety. That section controls how other people can interact with you, including messaging settings. Now find and click Chat. This is the area where you can manage who is allowed to message you. Inside the chat settings, look for the option that says Allow messages from my subscribers. By default, this may be turned on, which means subscribers can send you messages. To block those messages, simply toggle that option off. As soon as you switch it off, subscribers will no longer be able to message you through that setting. And that's it, you've successfully blocked messages from your subscribers on X. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this one.